Alright, so we're going to try out this Rust-Oleum headlight restore today. Basically the four-door, I'm going to test it out on these. These headlights are going to end up getting replaced anyway, but I just wanted to see how it worked. So we're going to give it a try, see what's up. Basically you start out by using this little sanding block to kind of knock off all the garbage on the light itself. And then you have some gloves and then basically a special little thing you wipe across them, and it's supposed to clear them right up. So we'll see. We're going to get the sanding and some water. So we're going to try this out first. Alright, so I finished step one. They look a lot better. They're starting to haze back up now that I've dried them off. But yeah, so we finished that. Now we're going to move on to the next step using the microfiber towel. Alright, let's hook it up. It's the microfiber towel they give you. And it works really good. Just basically wipe everything down, make sure there's no oils or anything on here. Alright, moving on to the next step. Alright, so the last part's pretty easy. You just got to put on these gloves. This is like a restore applicator. It's basically just a wipe. You wipe across them. So I figured if I'm going to do those headlights, might as well do these also, because they really need to be cleaned up, and at least it'll make these look newer. Because what's going to happen is, I think this car is going to get new headlights, and these headlights are going to go onto that vehicle. But we'll see. So this depends. I might even get 2 new sets. Who knows? I just like these because they were projectors. But let's give these a clean up too. We'll do them at the same time. So basically, I put on these gloves and then use this basically last part, and it will basically make them shine. Alright, so the projectors ended up coming out bomb. So these ended up being really good. So we'll see after it's supposed to take like an hour to dry, then 24 hours to cure. This car, which headlights on this thing are old, so this side came out really good. It actually looks fairly decent. This side's a little bit hazier, but this light was worse than the other one to begin with anyway. So I can always retreat it later, but it still looks better than it did. Alright, so I blocked the sun. You can see it a little bit better on this side. If I block it out, it's not too bad. On this side, it's a whole lot better though. Now this might be a newer headlight though than this headlight over here, so it could be that, you know. But these came out amazing. These are like perfect. So yeah, we'll see how long it lasts. Hey guys, take it easy. Peace.